Oh, Happy Meal talaga may. Wag na drinks. Ano? A la carte? Pilikan. Yan. Ay, 2 rice yan. Ayan, no, a la carte na lang. Ayan. Ay, ba't mo kinancel? Okay na yan. Fries, oh. O, add ka ng fries. Ayaw mo ng fries? Chicken lang? Pay at the counter. Yan. Okay. Go. Bugyan mo. Take out. Pa-add po ng fries, ate. Yung regular lang.